Here are the two schools for tonight's show. The number 4 seed St. Jago High from St. Catherine up against the number 61 seed Holmwood Technical High from Manchester. This is School's Challenge Quiz. St. Jago High is represented this evening by Team Captain Shanari Lindsay, Leroy Casanova, Chadrick Thompson, and Joel Enriquez. And Holmwood Technical High is represented this evening by Team Captain Shamoy Roys, Matthew Cole, Dejion Thomas, and Soshane Campbell. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 9th match here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges this evening are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Mrs. Teresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. St. Jago High won and decided to let Holmwood Technical High go first. So we begin with Holmwood Technical. We have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And your first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which psalm contains the verse, "Blessed is that man walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly"?
Psalms 1.
1, the first chapter, is correct. Bible knowledge for St. Jago. Which psalm contains the verse, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want"?
Psalm 23.
Psalm 23.
That's right. Local affairs, a visual 1 for Holmwood. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Darren Voss.
Correct. Local affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Christopher Tufton.
That's right. Biology for Holmwood. What is the name of the small gland in the skin which secretes a lubricating oily matter into the hair follicles?
Keratitis salivae.
Is sebaceous gland, judges? That is correct, I'm told. No? No. All right, you'll figure that one out. Biology for St. Jago. And which organ of the body is the pituitary gland?
Organ. The brain. The brain.
Correct. Music for Holmwood and audio. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
Tony Braxton.
Correct. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
I thought that I would never find angel.
Mariah Carey.
Incorrect. Monica. English language for Holmwood. Most colleges offer several computer science courses. What is the predicate in the sentence?
Offer computer science courses.
That's right. English language for St. Jago. While walking along the corridor, the professor stared at the president. What is the subject of this sentence?
The professor.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual for Holmwood. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Monica Lindsay.
Incorrect. Kerry Washington. Theatre and cinema for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Viola Davis.
Award-winning actress. Correct. General knowledge for Holmwood. How many legs do spiders have?
8.
Good. General knowledge for St. Jago. How many legs does a crab have?
10.
Is correct. Geography for Holmwood. Which ocean is bordered by Russia, Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Canada, and the United States?
Arctic Ocean.
That's right, St. Jago. Geography. Which ocean is bounded by Asia to the north, to the west by Africa, to the east by Australia, and to the south by the Southern Ocean?
Indian Ocean.
Good. Sport or visual for Holmwood. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
LeBron James.
NBA player, that's right. Sport for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
James Harden.
James Harden.
Also from the NBA. Chemistry for Holmwood. What color is seen when copper 2 sulfate or boric acid are placed in a flame?
Blue.
Incorrect. Green. Chemistry for St. Jago. What color is seen when copper 1 chloride or butane are placed in a flame?
Flame. 1 chloride. White. White. White.
Blue. Mathematics for Holmwood. If x equals 3y minus z, what is the value of x when y equals 4 and z equals minus 1?
13.
Very good. Mathematics for St. Jago. If c squared equals a squared plus b squared, what is the value of c when a equals 7 and b equals 24?
24 squared. So that is 25.
That's right. And that is the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be St. Jago High and Holmwood Technical. St. Jago High ahead on 9 points, Holmwood Technical High on 8 points. It's time to pause now for this evening's Digicel Viewers Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Bible Knowledge. The question is, the 10th king of Israel was the son of Jehoshaphat and grandson of Nimshi. What was his name? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after these messages.